remember your Creator. Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verses 1. Remember now thy Creator in the days of thy youth. See, have you ever noticed that the world tells young people, enjoy life first, follow your feelings, think about God later. But Solomon, the man who experienced wealth, pleasure, entertainment, wisdom, and success, came to one conclusion. He said, without God, life is empty. That is why he says, remember now thy Creator in the days of thy youth. I want you to notice that he does not say, remember your sports, remember your career, remember your social status. He says, remember thy Creator. The reason why is because the Creator is the source of life itself. See, according to the Bible, this is more than simply believing God exists. To remember God means to honor Him, obey Him, walk with Him, and place Him first before sin hardens the heart. And Satan knows how powerful youth is. That is why young minds are constantly attacked with distraction, entertainment, addiction, immorality, and compromise. Because what captures the youth shapes the future. And God says, give me your strongest year, not your leftovers. Many people think, I'll follow God when I'm older, but Solomon warns, do not wait, because habits becomes change. Sin dulls conviction, and the heart slowly grows cold. See, the world promises happiness without God, but Solomon tested that experiment already, and his conclusion was, vanity of vanities, all is vanity. Money cannot heal the soul. Entertainment cannot remove guilt. Pleasure cannot satisfy the heart, because we were created for fellowship with God. See, Ellen White wrote the following: Jesus desires the service of those who are fresh in the vigor of youth. See, young people, heaven is calling you today, not later, not someday, now, because the safest life is not life without rules, but the safest life is connected to the Creator. And one day, only what was done for Christ will last forever. God bless.